So hey everyone, this is Mighty from Clueless in the US, and this is just a quick video in showing you how we are preparing for our big move. We are about 30 minutes, no not 30 minutes, 30 days away from moving from this apartment in Nashville to our new home in New Braunfels in Texas, which I've talked about a few videos ago. So this is how we are preparing. So behind me you can see all these storage crates and tubs, boxes, whatever you want to call those. And this is whiteboard where I have just listed, okay, if we are gonna get a 20 feet long U-Haul truck or a 26 feet long U-Haul truck, these are the dimensions. And I have now measured this bedroom right here, which is my office, and the bedroom of my oldest son. So between the two, if we can fill it, it will give us a good idea for how much stuff we can put into the U-Haul truck and how much stuff we need to leave behind and send to and let go. And we have a lot of toys to bring with us, a lot of cubbies, some plastic drawers and all that, beds. Um, yeah, just a lot. But the good thing is we have about a month of preparation, and so we are starting and we are packing up all the things that we're not using anymore. And by the time that the end of November comes and our closing date is done, fixed, we can move. I'm going to rent a U-Haul truck. We are gonna move there, sign the paperwork, come back here, and I'm going to drive down to Texas with all these stuff in the U-Haul truck.